Hello friends, nice to meet you once again, and this is Mathematics Olympiad class. So today we are having a question, our last exercise, which we shall quickly consider, and which says if 3x minus y equals 12, what is the value of 8 raised to power x or over 2 raised to power y? The first thing we're going to do is to simplify 2 raised to power x to have the same base with denominator 2 raised to power y. So if you simplify 8 to 2 raised to power 3, then 2 raised to power 3 is 8. So we have 2 raised to power 3, then times the x, that's 2 raised to power 3x over 2 raised to power y. So they now have the same base now, denominator and denominator. So the next thing now is to use the law of exponent. But since they have the same base now and we have over in between them, over them means division. So division according to law of exponent means we take one of the bases and then change that division to minus. So we now have 2 raised to power 3x minus y. Now since 3x minus y according to the question equals 12. Now, and we have 3x minus y as the exponent here on 2 as the base. So we can plug in that 3x minus y equals 12. We replace 3x minus y as 12. So instead of 2 raised to power 3x minus y, we have 2 raised to power 12 now. So 2 raised to power 12 will give us 4096, and that's our final answer for the first question there. Now for the second question here, we have two stroke there, which is in mathematics is called absolute value function. Now to find this absolute value function now, we need to find when the value after greater than is positive and when it is negative. That is how we solve absolute value function. We shall understand it better in the next step. Now, when our 11 is positive, then we are going to have 2x greater than 11 minus 5. That is, we collect the like terms. Now, the two stroke there are no more there. So we now have 11 minus 5 is 6. So we have 2x greater than 6. So 2x greater than 6, we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 2. So we have x greater than 6 divided by 2, then x greater than 3. That is the first value that we get when 11 is positive. So the next thing we are going to do is to also find the value of x when 11 is negative. So we have 2x plus 5 greater than minus 11. We collect the like times. We have 2x greater than minus 11 minus 5. Plus 5 to the other side becomes minus 5. Or you minus 5 from both sides. That is additive inverse. So we now have 2x greater than minus 11 minus 5 will give us minus 16. So we have 2x greater than minus 16. Now with x equals, we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 2. Then we have x greater than minus 16 over 2, x greater than minus 8. So our next exercise, we shall be considering two questions. Simplify the following. Number 1, x raised to power 6 equals 6 raised to power x. Number 2, x raised to power x raised to power 4 equals 64. We have to find the value of x. Don't forget to click the subscription, notification and like button, and to share the video with your friend. Thank you. Till we meet next class.